Friends, today I'm going to show that how to clear iPhone RAM memory on iOS 17. Friends, to clear iPhone RAM memory on iOS 17, friends, you have to follow some couple of steps, right? Friends, don't miss anything and please watch the whole video. And after watching the video, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, for the first step, you have to go on App Store, then tap on search, then tap on here, my friends, right here CPU hyphen. Then my friends, you have to write X-Z battery life, this one. You have to find out this app. Then my friends, you have to tap on here, get. I have already downloaded because it will take time. You'll find here the get option, just tap on get and you have to double press the side button of your iPhone. And after that, it will be started to download and install on your iPhone, my friends. Then tap on open. And you'll find here all the options: device, processor, memory, display, camera, network, battery, operating system, and storage. And also many more options, my friends. So from here, I need the memory option. Just tap on memory and see, my friends, at the top you'll find here actions: free up 93.5% and depth free 253 megabyte, right? So my friends, I want to make it some free up some space of RAM memory of iOS 17, right? Just tap on free up and see optimizing memory. You have to wait a few seconds, my friends, to free up some space. Tap on OK and see, my friends, now here is 673 or 665 megabyte is free, my friends, right? So friends, like this, if you want, easily you can clear iPhone RAM memory on iOS 17. Friends, in another way also you can do it. For this, you have to go on App Store, then you have to write here now device monitor. Friends, all the app from the Apple company, my friends, so don't worry about this app. Friends, just write here device monitor and you'll find here beside of device monitor get options. Just tap on get and double press the side button of your iPhone, and after that it will be started to download and install of your iPhone. Then after installing, you have to tap on open. Then you'll find the interface like this, my friends, right? You have to scroll down to go on RAM. See, my friends, has the RAM. Just tap on detail chart, and as you can see, my friends, has the free up some space 6.9%, right? The green one, and has written clean RAM memory and depth clean RAM memory. So I want to just tap on clean RAM memory. Just tap on here and see free memory weight. See, my friends, free 352 megabyte, right? Now here is 15.4% is free, my friends, and see the green bar has been increased, right? So friends, like this also, if you want, you can clear iPhone RAM memory on iOS 17. Tap on done, go back. Now my friends, in another way you can clear iPhone RAM memory on iOS 17. There is the app users, right? Just to go on App Store, right here users, tap on search. You'll find here users widgets, my friends. Also this one is from Apple company, so don't worry about this. Just tap on get and double press the side button of your iPhone and it will be installed, my friends. After that you have to tap on open, or you can open from here, my friends. After opening this one, you'll find here a memory and see the free up space is 7.6% and 234 megabyte is free, my friends, right? So I'll do one thing, my friends. I'll minimize this one and I'll open the camera right now. Just open the camera, my friends. Don't do anything. Just open the camera and wait 10 seconds. After waiting 10 seconds, I'll show anything. A magic, my friends. I'll show a magic. Just wait 10 seconds and close the camera slowly and close it. Then, my friends, open the users app from here. Wait a few seconds. See, now here is 596 megabyte free and 21.6% free, right? So friends, like this, if one, you can clear iPhone RAM memory on iOS 17, right? Easily. Friends, to clear iPhone RAM memory on iOS 17, if you face any problem, feel free to ask in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.